So this video is going to cover class for Tuesday, September 8th, and what we basically did. So today we are in Module 2. So at the home screen you can click Module and go into Module 2. Membrane structure PowerPoint notes. These notes come from the book. A lot of them are pictures, so we talked about membranes and phospholipids. So we went over basically the structural component of a phospholipid bilayer or a plasma membrane. There is an activity here for plasma membrane Bioman. So if you click on that, you will need to do basically two things. It's much like the Cells Alive web quest. So there is a link to take you to an activity and then a CAMI link that you will go here. I want to caution you though, there is no back button through the simulation. So if you miss something, you're going to have to redo the entire assignment. So just be mindful of that as you go through. Everything's kind of in order. Then we did the fluid mosaic coloring. I handed this out in class because they're coloring it, and I found that there's no easy way to virtually color anything. So this too is a CAMI. So let me talk to you a little bit about what this looks like, so you know what to do here as it loads and goes through. So it's going to start off that there's going to be a little reading and then questions. So there's 4 questions that go with the reading as we go through. CAMI's been a little slow today and a little weird, so you may have to refresh or just kind of be patient for a little bit as we go through. And so it's working. Almost there. Perfect. Now we're getting somewhere. Loading. So there we go. So here is your reading, and then if you scroll down underneath the second page, there are the 4 questions. So the in-class people, and we'll do these coloring sheets quite often, so the phospholipid bilayer, there's a little star right there. Those are just labels and protein molecules, so those are stars. Those are just titles, so you don't do anything with those. Normally this is kind of like a color by number kind of thing, so non-polar hydrophobic portion A. So in class, you would color this red and then go find all the A's and color them all red through this until this whole thing's colored. And then polar hydrophilic portions B, so you would color the B's. I'm not going to make you color on this. You could do that on CAMI, but it doesn't look great and it takes forever and it's a pointless activity. So what I'm going to ask you to do is basically use CAMI and its vocabulary to label all the pieces. You know, and we're going to see how that goes. So it's kind of just a touch or base to see where that process happens. And then let me go back and make sure. And so that was basically it for Tuesday. And then so I will post another video tomorrow afternoon to catch up. But you can always follow along in the on the calendar that's on the webpage. So remember, if you always go home, the calendar will link you to what we did. So calendar, there it is. So we're in September now, and then obviously through the modules. So I hope you all are doing well, and I will see you tomorrow.